We have been in the territory since 2021, where we map the different communities, and what we do, we imagine how we can weave an interconnection between the people who lives around the lake, and we try to bring the people to experience the lake in a different way, in a way in which water can tell a story, in a way in which clay can remember the memory of making clay in the lake, in a way to remember also that there is a diversity and biodiversity that it's still alive in Sejoumi, and it's an ecosystem that is living, and it's a place also where people could come to experience the lake and feel the presence of its life. As an artistic process, we like to see the project as a long term, so it's a systemic approach as an artistic creation, in a way that we are not focused in the final presentation, we are focused in making a process where we work together like an ecosystem. The same way as we feel that there are these different beings that interweave life between each other, we also try to see how the stories of each other can inform the life of the lake. We see the lake as an entity that has its life, its body, and that has a desire to still live and to englobe other species inside. And we try to imagine how my story of grief can inspire your story, and when we experience that loss, we are able to transform those memories into something that is more restorative, that can bring us close to a reconciliation between who we are as nature and how we can answer the urgency of the ecological crisis. We use the imaginary to propose new forms of governance, so we are questioning how we can imagine symbiotic governance for a lake, and what is the role of a guardian of Sejoumi, and how can we take this role and become legitimate to recognize the lake as an entity. But it's not only about recognizing its rights, it's about having a new relationship, a relationship in which we are in kin, we are a family. And that is something that is not written in the law, because we need to inspire more people to come close to who we are, and as we are water beings, the attention is to listen to the water inside of us. For Dream City 2023, we will continue working with the communities, and we will be doing a water agora, Sejoumi agora, where we are inviting the local voices that can share their stories and make the body of Sejoumi alive, and imagine new possible futures for the lake. And we will be also reimagining how we can transform a landscape into something that can attract and create new communities here in Sejoumi.